the Syngonium Wendellandii. Also known as the arrowhead plant or goosefoot plant. This one is known for its green velvety leaves with the white stripe down the center. This plant originates from Central and Southern Americas and loves the tropical jungly climate. So you want to keep it moist soil, but let it slightly dry out between waterings. I fertilize every few weeks during the growing season and less frequently, maybe once a month at tops during the winter. I use a chunky, well-draining soil I mix up myself. Here it is a vining plant, so I have it clipped up on a trellis as it was growing out leggy and curling up and acting all crazy. It prefers bright indirect light, but can also do okay in lower light conditions, but obviously the brighter area will help it grow better. And even with a grow light or additional lighting, it would thrive. Depending what conditions you have it in, you can easily tell how it's doing. If it is overwatered, leaves will turn yellow, beginning from the bottom, and will die off. And if it's underwatered, they may start browning on the tips and edges, and you'll be getting smaller leaves and no growth. Generally, it grows from the top of the vines, but here you see new life forming from the soil area at the base. When checking for pests on this plant, you want to check in the little neck area there where the vine comes from, and the leaves. I like to take a Q-tip with alcohol diluted water with maybe neem oil or dead bug spray if you do detect any pests. And I also use systemic in the soil to treat anything several times a year. Don't forget to check the back sides. That's where little buggers like to hang out and start eating away at your plant. And sometimes you don't notice. So don't forget to check the back sides. As with all syngoniums, it's fairly easy to propagate by snipping below a node and then putting it in water, changing out the water every couple days until you notice roots, and then transfer to soil after a few inches of roots. The baby leaves come out heart-shaped and then grow into the longer arrowhead-shaped leaves and become so soft and velvety. For the Wendellandii. It's such a beautiful syngonium. It's one of my favorite house plants. Makes a great centerpiece. Would look great in any office space. Would make a great gift as they aren't as easy to come by. I got mine on Etsy. Note, this plant is toxic to humans and animals. If you break one of the stems, a white substance usually comes out that is very irritating, so wear gloves and wash your hands right away. Let me know if you have this plant or any other syngoniums and what is your favorite. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.